Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Test 3 Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 working with the cell data alternates with the XLOOKUP. So if you want to complete same projects Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignments and your exam. So download the files, click the start a file and download the files. So open the Excel files, click the enable editing and next is instruction is Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 working with the cell data alternate with the XLOOKUP. So we move to the main project step is step number 1. So open the start file exp 2021 capstone level 3 xlookup. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the exp 2021 capstone level 3 and next is if the workbook open protected view, click the enable editing buttons message bar at the top of the. So I have already enable editing button. And next is open the question number 3 is copy the old town stores old town stores worksheet from the old town sale workbook and to the capstone projects. The will be renamed automatically change the project files. So I have already changed the project files exp 2021 capstone level 3 and copy the old town store worksheets from the old town sale workbook downloaded from the resources link to the capstone projects. So open the old town sale old town sale worksheets and copy the worksheets and download from the resource links and open the Excel old town worksheets. And step number B is copy the worksheet old town store in the move copy dialog box. Be sure check the create a copy and checkbooks and select your capstone projects Excel file of the move selected it sheet to book drop down list and make the correct selection to ensure the copy worksheets will appear at the end of the after trends store 2021's worksheet in your capstone workbook. So copy the old tone store worksheets, go to the old tone store worksheets and right click on move or a copy and click the create a copy and next is move a copy to exp ex 2021 capstone level 3 and move to the end and click OK. So move or a copy old tone store worksheets and next is close the old town sale workbook when you have successfully copied the old town store worksheet to the capstone workbook. So close the old town sale worksheets and do not save. And next is Before the continuing, before the continuing verifying that you are working in the capstone projects that you downloaded and not the old tone sales workbook that you download from the resource link. And next is insert a insert the new workbook, insert the new worksheets and rename the food truck. Go to the Excel worksheet and click the insert the new worksheets, and new worksheet name is to food truck. So copy the worksheet name and right clicks, click the rename and paste the food truck and press enter. So new worksheet is food truck. And next is if necessary, move the food truck worksheets so it appear first in the workbook. So move the food truck worksheet so that it's appear in the first in the workbook. Move and drag the food truck worksheets in the first worksheets. And next is enter the text and cell the data in the table below. Check your works carefully. So A1 is top corn food truck sales August. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A1. So select the cell is A1 and paste the title, press enter. Next is B2 is truck location. So copy the title and paste the title in cell B2. So select the cell is B2 and paste the title is truck location, press enter. And next is C3. So copy the title and paste the title is Crystal City in cell B3. So select the cell is B3 and paste the title is Crystal City and press enter. Next is Merrifield. Merrifield. So copy the title and paste the title in cell C3. So select the cell is C3 and paste the title Merrifield, press enter. Next is lotion. So copy the title and paste the title in cell D3. So select the cell is D3 and paste the title is lotion and press enter. Next is Barstone in cell E3. So select the title Barstone is copy the title, Control C and go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is E3 and paste the title is Barstone and press enter. Next is Old Bay in cell A4. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A4 and press enter is Old Bay. And next is copy the value and paste the value in cell B4. Select the cell is B4 and paste the value, press enter. And next is copy the value and paste the value in cell C4. Select the cell is C4 and paste the value, press enter. And next is copy the value and paste the value in cell B4. Sorry, D4. And next is copy the value Boston and paste the value in cell E4 and press enter. Next is truffle. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A5 and paste the title. And next is copy the value and paste the value in cell B5. Select the cell is B5 and paste the value, press enter. And next is copy the C5 and paste the C5, press enter. And next is copy the D5 and paste the D5, press enter. And next is copy and paste in cell E5. Next title is C shorts and kernels. So select the A6 and press enter. And next copy value B6, press enter. Copy the value and paste the value, press enter. And next copy the value and paste and press enter. E6, copy the value and paste the cell is E6, press enter. So put the data. And next is question number 7 is format the data and apply the title cell style in cell A1. So select the cell is A1 and apply the title cell style. Select the cell is A1 and apply the title cell style. So go to the home tabs and go to the cell style groups and click the title cell style. Next is apply the blue fills color to cell A1 and use the third color from the right in the standard color. Select the cell is A1 and blue is the fill color. Use the third color from the right in the row of the standard color. Blue fill colors. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups. Click the fill color is blue fill color. Click the blue is standard color is blue fill color. Next is apply the white background one font color cell A1 and use the first color at the left in the first row theme color. Select the cell is A1 and apply the white background one font color in cell A1. White background one font colors. Go to the home tabs and go to the font groups. Click the font color is white background one. So white background one font colors. And next is merge and center the worksheet title to across the A1 to E1. A1 to E1 is the merge and center. So select the cell as A1 to E1, A1 to E1 and merge and center the worksheets. So go to the home tab and go to the landmark group, click the merge and centers. And next is apply the heading 1 cell style to cell B2. Select the cell is B2 and apply the heading 1 cell styles. Go to the home tabs and go to the cell style groups and apply the heading 1 cell styles. Heading 1 cell style and merge and center the cell B2 to E2. Select the cell is B2 to E2 and merge and center. So go to the home tabs and go to the landmark groups and click the merge and center. And next is bold the cell B3 to E3. Select the range B3 to E3 and paste the range, press enter and apply the bold cell. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the bold. Next is apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places after the decimal to cell B4 to E6. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter apply the counting number format with the 0 decimal places. Go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups. Go to the number groups and apply the counting number format and 0 decimal places. So open the number groups and apply the counting number format is 0 decimal places and then click OK. Next is auto fit column A to E. So select the column A to E and apply the auto fit column is double click is E column. So apply the auto fit column A to E. And so question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is enter the word total in cell A7. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A7. Select the cell is A7 and paste the title is total and press enter. Next is enter a sum function in cell B7 to calculate the total of cell B4 to B6. So insert the sum function in cell B7. Select the cell is B7, type is equal to and type the sum function. Range is B4 to B6. B4 to B6 and press enter. B4 to B6 and use the autofill to copy the formula to cell C7 to E7. So copy the formula C7 to E7 and next is apply the total cell style to cell A7 to E7. So select the cell is A7 to E7 and apply the total cell style. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups, click the cell style and apply the total cell style. Apply the total cell style. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is insert a pie chart 2D to show the old base sale for the month by location and each the piece of the pie chart to represent the old base sales for a single location and you must complete the step correctly in order to receive the point for completing the next step and check the work to the carefully. So pie charts insert the pie charts and show the old base sales for the month by location and each piece of the pie should represent the old bay sale for a single location. Insert the 2D pie charts. So select the A3 to E4. A3 to E4 is only old bay value and insert the pie charts to represent the old bay single location. So insert the pie charts, insert the 2D pie charts. So go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups, click the charts and apply the 2D pie charts. Insert the 2D pie charts by locations and so question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is apply the layout 3 quick layouts. Apply the layout 3 is the quick layouts. So go to the chart design tabs and go to the chart layouts group and click the layout is 3. Layout is 3 and move the chart so it's appear below the cell data. So move and drag the charts, drag and move the charts in, in the cell A9. And next is question number 11 is insert a cluster column charts 2D column to show the cell for each type of each location and do not include the total. You must complete this step correctly in order to receive the point for the completing the next step and check your works too carefully. So insert the cluster column charts 2D to show the cell for each type of each location and do not include the total. So select the range A3 to E6 and do not include the total. Do not include the total and insert the cluster column charts cell for each location. Do not include the total. Insert the cluster column charts. So go to the insert tabs and go to the charts groups. Click the recommended charts and insert the cluster column chart. So first is cluster column charts and click OK. So create the cluster column charts and insert the cluster column chart. So question number 11 is complete and we move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is total question is 28. So question number 12 is modify the column chart as follow. If necessary, modify the chart so each the location is represented by the data series and then type are listed along x-axis and change the chart title to the August sale. So copy the chart title and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the chart title is August sales. And next is apply the style 3 is chart quick style. Apply the chart style 3. The chart style 3. So go to the chart design tabs and go to the chart style groups and click the chart style 3. Next is display the chart data label using the center options. Display the data label using the center options. So click the data labels is to center the data labels. Center the data label and if necessary to move the charts so it is the next to the pie charts and top of the chart RR line. So move and drag the charts. It's the cluster column charts and align the pie charts. So question number 12 is complete and we can move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is preview how the worksheet will look when printed and then apply the printed setting to print the worksheets on a single page and hit if you have one of the charts selected it and deselect if the before the previewing the worksheets and preview the worksheet again when you are finished to check your workbook. And step number A is change the orientation to page the wider than is to talls. Change the page orientation to the landscapes and wider to talls. And next is change the margin to present the narrow options. Margin to present the narrow options. So go to the page load tabs and go to the page setup groups. Click the margins and narrow margins. Change the margin repeats present to narrow option. Next is change the printing scales so all column will print on the single page. Change the printing scale so all column will print a single pages. Go to the file tabs and click the print and no scaling and select the fit all column on one pages. Fit all column on one page. So question number 13 is complete and we move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is top the cone is the constraint is new truck purchase and calculate the monthly loan payment and total cost. So insert the new new worksheet between the food truck and online sale worksheets. So go to the food truck worksheets, and between the online sale worksheets. So right clicks and click the insert the new worksheets. Sorry, insert the new worksheets and food truck and online sale worksheets between the food truck and food truck sheets and online sale worksheets. And next is name the new worksheet is to the loan analysis. So copy the worksheet's name and right clicks and click the rename is loan analysis, press enter. Next is change the color of the worksheet to tab to green and use the fifth color from the right in the row of the standard color. So right clicks and click the tab color is to the standard color is green color for the worksheet tab to the green color. Next is enter the loan term to show the below. So copy the title and price and paste the cell is A1 is price, press enter. And next is copy the value and paste the value in cell B1, press enter. And next is interest annual. So copy the interest annual and paste the in cell A2. So select the cell is A2 and press enter. Interest annual. And next is 4% in cell B2. Select the cell is B2 and paste the 4%, press enter. And next is loan term in the month. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A3. The cell is A3 and press enter. And next is 24. So copy the value and paste the value in cell B3 and press enter. And next is monthly payment in cell A4. So copy the title is monthly payment and select the cell is A4, press enter, monthly payments. And next is auto fit column A. Select the auto fit column. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete SAM projects, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grades your assignments and exam. So check the assignments. I have already solved the another student assignments. So check the another student assignments. I have completed the assignments.